until the time comes round to pay the bill. Then I'm afraid what can't be paid must be returned. You never ever learn that nothing's yours on easy terms. Only for a time I must not learn to call you mine. Familiar eyes, that face, those eyes, make future plans that cannot be confirmed on borrowed time, on easy terms.
Litter, a visit to the Catholic Cathedral, Mount Pleasant, Liverpool. Led from shops and overcrowded streets to the mountain, and urged by a porter to the womb of the bright bannered haven. Drops of blood sprayed red on blue, splashing from thorns, lightening the load for us. Above the crown, a tunnel of light offers escape. We have seen his glory. The choir's sounds warms any trace of black. Chords like tongues of fire overcome us. We return from the mountain to empty streets where litter dances. Well, here we are in Cavan Walks, the Beatles zone of Liverpool, and there's an interesting memorial to Eleanor Rigby that I'd like you to see. Confession. Following a visit to Eleanor Rigby's memorial in Cavan Walk, I was feeling rather guilty, God, that we as friends, on a cosy little outing for the gang, had messed around with Eleanor Rigby. A cold metal bench and the old lady and her shopping, turning her face from a colder, harder world. In the middle of our revels today, I felt guilty, God, that we, every one of us, for the purpose of photographs, tried to match Eleanor's sadness, gaze dejected, and wear loneliness, to laugh at in a tidy album, pretending where some live loneliness. Forgive us, Eleanor, for laughing at your pain, at your bench of all places, where you have stopped now for an eternal rest with your shopping for one. Your unchangeable statue whispered its echoing accusation, all the lonely people. And we just laughed in the warmth of festivities. And after the full day, company and jollity, feasting and conquest, train and ferry, I stepped from the gang and returned to the real world of all the lonely people. As I reach Pentrefellin alone tonight, God, make sure that your care for us all is tender, and that there's room for one more on your bench.
Living on the never, never, constant as the changing weather, never sure who's at the door, or the price I'll have to pay should we meet again. I will not rest